Welcome back to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Today I'll be making a healthy honey and oat bread made with two types of flour, and of course oats is both very filling and a healthy option. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious bread. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes posted weekly. Let's get started. Squeeze honey to your taste into a jug of 600 ml of lukewarm water. Mix to dissolve the honey in the water, then add 2 packets or 14 grams of instant dry yeast. Continue mixing to activate the yeast. Once dissolved, leave for 5 minutes whilst you prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, place 2 cups or 480 grams of wholemeal bread flour and 1.5 cups or 360 grams of white bread flour. Then add 1 cup of rolled oats, putting aside half a cup to use later. So in total, 1.5 cups or 360 grams of rolled oats. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and mix to blend in. When thoroughly blended, create a well in the middle and pour in the yeast mixture. Fold in the flour and begin to combine to create a dough using a wooden spoon. Start using your hands once the dough has thickened. Lightly flour your hands to avoid sticking and knead for 10 minutes. Add a drizzle of olive oil to soften the dough and make it easier to knead. This will also help prevent the dough from sticking to your hands. Once you have a soft and slightly sticky dough, cover and proof for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, grease 2 baking trays. The dough should have risen and is ready to be shaped into 2 loaves. First, knead for a minute, then cover with some of the saved rolled oats. Transfer to a clean surface and divide into 2 pieces for the 2 loaves. Or you can make smaller rolls by dividing into more pieces or make 1 larger loaf. I'll be making 1 rectangular and 1 round loaf, and the measurements of the tins I've used will be in the description along with all the other details. Before placing the doughs into the baking trays, sprinkle the bases with more of the rolled oats. You can also add more to the top if needed. Repeat the process for the second loaf. Cover and leave to proof for the second time for about 30 minutes, then bake in the oven at gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check, and if sounds hollow when tapped, it's ready. Once baked, transfer to a cooling rack. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.